Hey guys, I'm back with part 2 of how to assemble your chip bag. Um, so it just all depends if you are just printing and shipping them to your customer, or if you are hold on, let me do that over. It's canceling. If you are printing and assembling them, or how you're doing it, it does always depend how you're doing it for your customer. So I'll just show you the process I do when I assemble them to send to the customer. Empty. I can try to show you one with the actual chip bag, but I did have it for something else. So I'm gonna show you both ways and what I do doing them both ways. Let me grab the chips. Thought I had everything. I'm sorry. Alright, I'll show you both ways. Alright, so just in terms of supplies, you're gonna need, well, what I use are my crimp scissors, the little crimper. You'll need a hot glue gun and hot glue. The paper that the hot glue is everywhere. The paper that I print, the one I'm using now, I'm almost down, is inkjet glossy paper. You can use, I've used HP brand as well because I have an HP OfficeJet 4630. So this is some paper that I get from Amazon. It is 36 pounds. So the more pounds, the thicker the paper is. I've used the 50 pound. I've done really well with those. This is my first time trying 36 pound. So I'm going to see how it turns out. Hopefully it's really good as the other. Yeah, it feels really good. So I'm going to see how that works out. I'll let you guys know. Also, like I said, if you're pre-assembling and send them to your customers, I normally get some of these little 5x7 clear baggies where you can, put it inside the bag to assemble it for your customer. All they will have to do is fill it with chips. So I am waiting for that to finish printing out. The chips, if you're filling it for your customer, the chips you would need would be like the 1 ounce little 50-cent bags from the store. These are the best fit. Anything bigger than this are going to be a tight fit and struggle to get in. So you can use these, like the little 1 ounce 50-cent bag from the store to add inside your bag itself. So I'll show you 2 different ways, again, like I say, to do them. And this is only for the sake of the tutorial. I'm gonna mess up that paper. So I'm gonna print 2 so I can show you guys both ways. I don't mind using paper. It's not alright. I'm gonna print that design out a second time, so that I can show you how I do both ways. Pretty much the concept is kind of the same. So what you're going to do, this one is almost finished printing. So I'll show you the first way first. So basically, what I do first is with the chip bag itself all printed out. Then you're just going to, I normally glue it together, especially when I'm inserting the chip bag, to make it really easy. You're going to just glue the bag together to get it started. Alright, so here is the design we just created. See how pretty and glossy it is. This is actually the 50-pound paper, so it's thicker. But it's the brochure paper. It is 50 pounds. Like I said, I'm going to try the 36 pound to see how much more flexible it is. But I haven't had issues. I've done a lot of chips with the 50 pound. So what you're doing, what you're going to do is basically you're going to be gluing it like this. See how everything is on there as we had it. So what you do, this I'm gonna do the first one is basically with you to insert the regular chips. So let me turn so you guys can see. So what you do is get your hot glue gun. Make sure the glue is at the top, and you're gonna come down with this white line. I know my light is bright. The white line is at, and you're gonna basically fill that with the glue. So you're gonna go down from top to bottom, and the glue does dry quick, so you want to be pretty quick but neat at the same time. So you're gonna come down, put this flap over that, make sure they are even, and you're gonna press them really quick, because if you don't, then it's gonna dry. So press them really quick, and you'll have that sealed up really fast. See? All right, so see how that's all sealed up? You don't see glue, you don't see anything. Sealed it up really, really quick. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your chip bag, and you're gonna just slide it through real easy peasy. All right, so your chips are in there. So the last step, well, not the last step, but the next step, you're gonna look in the bottom, and you're gonna pretty much go not right on the bottom, but go up a little, because you want to save room to crimp your bag. So once you put the glue in, even it up, and you're gonna just press it together. The glue is hot, so make sure you're careful. So that's one end glued, and you're gonna do the same thing for the top. You're just gonna come in, go down a little past what you might like cut it at, and then you're gonna just do the same thing, line it up really good, or whatever, and do it all the way across. All right. So like I said, this paper is a lot more thicker, so it does print like fold a lot, but it's okay. I generally make it work. Okay, so this is what your chip bag looks like. It's all done. Like I say, this corner is crimping, but it's not a big deal. I'm just a picky person. But basically, this is your chip bag, your front and your back. Really easy, really easy. So what I generally do with mine to make them look cute, even though I'm not keeping this bag, but I normally cut them. Like I say, you're gonna glue it up enough to where you still have room to, you know, if you cut them like this with the scissors, or if you don't. Alright, boom. See, I cut them with the little shears. They're really cute bags. Really, really easy. So that's one way you can do it. All right, so I did print out a second one. All right, so for the second style, this is one, like if you are just assembling the bag and your customer is going to fill the bag themselves. Most of the concept is kind of the same, except when I put this in, I don't put hot glue on this because the glue might melt it. So what I do is I get a tape runner like this. Inside the chip bag, I tape about the same place I would put the glue, which is about a little half of an inch under where it's gonna go, where my crimper wouldn't technically go. And I do that in regards to that. So once you get the tape, I don't know if you can see, it's a little thin line of tape on there. What I generally do, I leave the bag open. I like to leave them open. And I want to approximately look at it and lay my bag in the middle. Try to make it as even, just try to see if you can actually fold the bag right here, so you'll know, okay, this is where this end goes or whatever. Just to make sure you put your clear bag there to start. So once you get it in, all right, so this is how that bag is going to sit inside there. So now with this portion, basically you're going to go from there and you're going to do the same thing in terms of the glue, except you are not going to glue this inside of this because we put tape all the way across, so it's going to stick on the bag. But you are, so what you can go ahead and do is go ahead and fold this here, so it's already folded, and then you're going to go ahead and do your middle line again on the centerpiece. So you'll come down again like we did the first time. So you're still going to do that part because you want to make sure your bag is secure. And you just do the same thing again, basically, for that. So your chip bag is that clear bag is just gonna be in there. And what you can do is just stick your hand in the top, just make sure that that part of the bag is done. And like I say, it closes itself. Once it's Ziploc closed, it's gonna be closed anyway, and I'll show you how. Because the bag is a Ziploc bag. So once it's Ziploc, it's gonna basically be closed. All right. So once you get it Ziploc closed, you just want to probably make sure that your chip bag is pushed up. I generally push it up so it doesn't get this on it. And then come on in and glue your bottom closed. Okay. Just like you did the original bag. So once you glue that closed, your bottom is sealed. Okay. So then you can reach in and push your clear bag back down so it's in there. And boom, you have your pre-assembled bags for your customer. And all they have to do once they get them is Ziploc them closed. That's really all they have to do. They don't have to do anything else. See, they're closed. So all you're gonna do is your same thing before you ship them. Is you put the bag low enough, so you're just gonna go ahead and pre-cut them. Cut your design. So that they're already ready for your customer to display at their events. All right, so do the same thing, top and bottom, and you know, once you get used to doing them, you'll be fine. So once you do that, boom, everything's done. The customer still can do this, open the bag, and insert their chips. So this is the pre-assembled one, you know, for the customer to do it on their own. And these are the ones where you just want to send them already done. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask below. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. All right, take care, you guys.